Hello everyone, in this video we're going to talk about how to use ChatGPT's new image features. So first of all, we're going to see how we can generate an image and then how we can change the style of it and combine it with others. So first of all, we're just going to ask it to create an image of a woman in a field. Just going to type that and we're going to see what it comes up with. And there we go, we have an image generated of a woman in a field. Now it does take a while for it to render, but now we can try to turn it into a different style. So I'm just gonna ask it, make it a more cartoonish style. And then we're just gonna wait. Again, it does take a bit to render. And there you go, we basically have the same image in a more cartoonish style. Anyways, you can do many other stuff with this, so like adding objects, like we can tell it to add like a tractor behind there, for example. But yeah, you can pretty much experiment and find out for yourself. Anyways, thanks for watching, make sure to leave a like, share and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Goodbye.